Sorry, no click on these things.
What?
No clicks on these things.
Have you ridden this yet?
Such a quiet left tail.
Oh, I know. I love it.
No click, 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 click.
Why? Because it barely moves.
Back stop.
I'm not here to little click, but very slight.
What?
Very slight bit of clicking.
Yeah. Wish it was a little bit faster, but
Big metal piece that bangs.
yes.
Oh, there's the observation tower.
And that thing, teeter-totter sort of.
Yes.
I mean, it's crazy how big that thing is, and it's
Yeah. Oh, there's a hotel.
yeah. Oh yeah. That's how a coaster should be.
Such a smooth transition.
So smooth.
That is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
But keep in mind, this would have felt exactly like a coach for kids.
I mean, just amazing.
It farted.
It did sound like yeah.
Oh, must have been that white sauce. No.